Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to learn our subject English lesson number 1 of standard 3rd. We are going to start first lesson of standard 3rd and the name of the lesson is Ungrateful Cat. What is the name of the lesson? It is Ungrateful Cat. Grateful means जो good work करता है, ungrateful who never cares for anyone. जो दूसरे गुड वर्क करते हैं बट अनग्रेटफुल वो होते हैं जो उनको दूसरे के केयर से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दे आर नोन एज द अनग्रेटफुल cat. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to read the spelling of ungrateful cat. Ungrate, ungrateful, full, ungrateful cat. Who was ungrateful? Cat was ungrateful. Why? Why it was ungrateful? Let's come on the story. Then you will got to know that why the cat was ungrateful. It's a story about a cat and a rat and a fox. Who are there? Cat, rat, and a fox. We have already, you must have already learned in the second standard not so many stories of cat. आपने cat के बारे में पहले पढ़ा होगा. What cat loves? Cat loves to eat rat. Cat loves to eat rat. Cat को क्या खाना अच्छा लगता है? Rat. And it loves to drink milk. Milk पीती है वो और क्या करती है? Cat क्या खाती है? Rat and fish also. That's the favorite food of cat. Now, this is a story of a cat. Once upon a time, एक time का बात है, when cat was moving in the forest. Where was the cat? Cat was moving in the forest, and in the forest, she got in a cage. Once upon a time, cat was moving in the forest and she caught in a cage. किसमें फंस गई वो? एक cage के अंदर. So first of all, we are going to learn the spelling of caught. Caught means पकड़ लेना किसी को. So spelling of caught. These are the few hard words. While we are going to finish one session of the lesson and second we'll continue afterwards. So we are going to write the hard words also together so we can learn them thoroughly. Hard words साथ में लिखते जाएंगे जिसको हम उससे अच्छे से पढ़ सके. So first one is caught. H-A-R-D, hard, W-O-R-D-S. If you want to underline, you can underline in your textbooks also. First one is C-A-U-G-H-T. First one is C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. And she was caught in a cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Who? Cat was caught in a cage. I'll show you the cage in your lesson. This is your book of standard 3, Hello English. This is our lesson number 1. And see, here is a cat and she was caught in a cage. किसमें फंस गई है वो? Cage के अंदर. Now, do you know who is the king of the jungle? पता है जंगल का किंग कौन होता है? Lion. Over here in a story, when the cat was moving in the forest, वो कहाँ पे फंस गई? एक केज के अंदर वो फंस गई, मतलब पिंजरे के अंदर फंस गई. And she started crying loudly. She cried. How the cat used to speak? She used to speak meow meow. How she cat used to speak? She used to speak meow meow. When the cat was caught in the cage, she cried. C-R-I-E-D. She cried. And we write spelling of meow in two ways. We used to write M-E-W also, M-E-O-W also. Both are the spelling of meow. Cat used to speak like this, meow or M-E-W, mew. Both are the right. So cat used to do meow meow. That was the that's the sound of the cat that she used to make. But she was crying for what? She was crying for help. किस लिए चिल्ला रही थी cat? That someone should come and help me. कोई आए और मेरी help कर दे. But in the forest, no one was listening him. उसका आवाज कोई भी सुन नहीं रहा था. She was crying and crying and crying. वो बहुत जोर जोर से cry कर रही थी. Then what happened sometimes to the ear of the mewing. Mewing मतलब कैट का आवाज सुनते वो बहुत जोर जोर से आ रहा था. आफ्टर सम टाइम मतलब थोड़ी देर के बाद. आफ्टर सम टाइम who heard the voice? After some time a small rat. Who heard the voice? A small rat, or you can say a small mouse. Who heard the voice? A small mouse. So we'll write the spelling of mouse. Mouse. You know how mouse used to speak? Mouse squeaks. How mouse used to speak? Mouse squeaks. Over here, what happened? The mouse heard that cat is mewing. So he went near the cat. वो cat के पास गया. And the mouse, what the cat said? The cat asked him to open the cage. The cat asked him to open the cage. Cat ने उसको क्या बोला? Kindly open my cage. मैं जिस केज में फंस गई हूँ, kindly open it up. इस केज को ओपन कर दो so that I could come out. Kindly open my cage so that I can come out. आप मेरा केज खोल दो जिससे कि मैं यहाँ से बाहर आ सकूं. But cat used to eat mouse. Cat किसको खाती थी? Mouse को. So mouse got worried. Mouse ने अब सोचा कि whether she is saying कि मुझे यहाँ से निकाल दो, but if she will going to come out, then she will definitely going to eat me. अगर ये यहाँ से बाहर निकली तो ये क्या कर देगी? ये मुझको खा जाएगी. Now the cat begged him. The cat begged him. Beg मतलब भीख मांगना कि मुझे प्लीज यहाँ से निकाल दो, otherwise I will be no more. अगर मैं इसी के अंदर बंद रही तो मैं ज्यादा टाइम तक रह नहीं पाऊंगी. Kindly take me out of the cage, please. She begged him again and again. But what the mouse replied? Mouse said to the cat that no, I cannot take you out because I know if you are going to come out, you will definitely going to kill me. अगर आप बाहर आ जाओगी तो आप तो सबसे पहले मुझे ही खा जाओगी. Then what cat said? No, dear mouse, I am not going to eat you. If I am going to come out, then also मैं आपको नहीं खाऊंगी. The cat promised. The cat promised. First, let's write the spelling of promise. Then I'll tell you the meaning of promised. The spelling of promised is Promised. The spelling of promised is Promised. Now, what the promise means? Promise means to commit something. किसी को किसी चीज के लिए बोलना कि मैं आपका ये वर्क पक्का कर दूंगा या पक्का कर दूंगी. And I give you a promise like this कि okay, done, I am going to do it for you. Then you should not break your promise. Once you have promised someone, तो हमें अपना promise कभी भी break नहीं करना चाहिए. But do you think the cat will going to keep his promise? क्या cat अपना promise रखेगी? Let's learn the story so you will got to know that cat ने अपना promise रखा था or she doesn't kept her promise. So what cat said? No, I am promising you. What cat said? I am promising you. I am not going to eat you up. I am a very good cat. मैं बहुत अच्छी cat हूँ. And how I am going to eat such a great creature? मैं किसी अच्छे helpful creature को क्यों खाऊंगी? Creature means animals who used to live in the jungle. So we are going to learn the spelling of helpful as well as the creature. So number 7 is the spelling of HELP, help, FUL, full, helpful, and the creatures, CREATURES. The spelling of helpful means जो मदद करता है. Creatures are the animals who used to live in the jungle. Animal जो जंगल में रहते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Creatures. So cat what say? Cat promised that I am not going to kill such creatures who are very helpful. मैं ऐसे creature को क्यों खाऊंगी जो इतना helpful है, सबकी मदद करता है. So the mouse was very good. Mouse बहुत अच्छा था. Mouse thought, if she is saying like that, let me open. मैं उसका केज खोल के देखता हूँ. She will not going to kill me. वो मुझे kill करके खाएगी नहीं, because she is promising me. So what did mouse did? Mouse opened the cage of the cat. Where was cat? Mouse ने क्या करा? उस केज को खोला. And when the cat came out, she was an ungrateful cat. That was the lesson name. She was the ungrateful. So we'll write the spelling of ungrateful also. Ungrateful. Who was ungrateful? The cat was ungrateful. And what was the ungratefulness? That as soon as the cat came out from the cage, जैसे ही cat अपने cage से बाहर निकली, the legs of the cage, how many legs cat have? 4. So this portion, this portion of the cat is known as its paws. What it is known as? Paws. So let's write the spelling of paws. Paws. So what cat did? Cat hold the rat. So as for an example, I'll give you, this is mouse. ये mouse है, and this is the paw of a cat. ये cat के paws है. As she came out of the cat, जैसे ही mouse ने gate open करा and cat came out, she immediately jumped on the mouse and caught the rat in his paws. जैसे ही वो निकला, उसने तुरंत अपने paws में उसको पकड़ लिया. Why? Because the cat was ungrateful. Cat बहुत ही ungrateful थी. Then she wanted to eat it. What cat want to do? Cat अब उस rat को क्या कर देना चाहती थी? खा जाना चाहती थी. She wanted to eat it. The little mouse begged. जो mouse था बहुत little था. He started begging. उसने भीख मांगना शुरू कर दिया. किस लिए? अपनी life को बचाने के लिए. So we'll write the spelling of begged. Beg means किसी से किसी चीज के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा request करना. So who was requesting? Little mouse was requesting for his life. Little mouse was requesting for his life that please kindly save my life. I want to live. Don't kill me. Why he was saying like this? Because cat promised him. Cat ने उसको क्या promise करा था? That if you are going to open my cage, I am not going to eat it. So the same, for that promise only, the mouse was saying to cat that you promised me. Still you are holding me in your paws and you want to eat me. Please, I am begging of you. Please leave me. Don't eat me. But refused and said, you are very foolish. But what the cat said? Cat refused. Cat ने उसको मना कर दिया. Refused means to say no. Refused means to say no. Refused. Refused means to say no. The cat refused. Cat ने उसको ना बोला. She said, what the cat said? You are so foolish. आप बेवकूफ हो. कौन? Mouse. Cat told to mouse that you are a foolish one. आप तो foolish हो. Why did you hear me? आपने मेरी बात क्यों मानी? So what mouse replied? Mouse said that you promised me that you are not going to kill me. That's why I listened to you. So who was good? Mouse was good. Why? Because mouse listened to cat, but cat doesn't kept her promise. पर cat ने अपना promise नहीं रखा. She wanted to kill the rat. She refused, and what she said? She said that you are a foolish. Who you are? Foolish. Foolish. What cat said? Cat said to mouse that you are a foolish. Now, when this discussion was going on between cat and mouse, when cat and mouse both were discussing these things, immediately a clever fox moved there. Who came? Fox, and the fox was very clever. So we are going to write the spelling of clever. C-L-E-V-E-R. Who came there? A clever fox came there, and fox was very clever. Fox बहुत होशियार थी. Then what she said? She asked that what is the matter. Matter means problem. Fox asked them कि क्या problem है, क्या हुआ? Why cat is holding you in her paws? Cat ने क्यों अपने paws में आपको पकड़ रखा है? Then mouse told him everything. Mouse told him that cat was caught in a cage. Cat को cage में किसी ने पकड़ लिया था and I am here to help him. और मैं उसकी help करने आया. Then cat promised me that what did cat promise me? That if you are going to take me out, अगर आप मुझे बाहर निकाल दोगे, then I am not going to eat you up. अगर आप मुझे बाहर निकालोगे, so how come I can eat such a helpful creature? एक अच्छे से helpful creature को मैं क्यों खाऊंगी? So cat promised. Cat ने मुझको promise करा. Who is telling? Mouse is telling the story to fox. So then what happened? Fox understood everything. फॉक्स को सब समझ में आ गया दैट द होल मैटर इज लाइक दैट कि कैट सेव्ड हिज लाइफ. कैट ने अपनी लाइफ तो बचा ली और माउस की लाइफ को खतरे में डाल दिया. सो द फॉक्स अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग. सो वी विल राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ understood. UNDER. under. STOOD. stood. Now the fox understood everything कि अब सब समझ में आ गया है. Now fox was very clever. fox बहुत होशियार थी. अब उसने क्या सोचा? Now I should have a trick. एक ट्रिक आजमानी पड़ेगी. Then only I can save the mouse. अगर मैं एक ट्रिक का यूज करता हूं तो ही मैं, फॉक्स ने यही सोचा कि अगर मैं कोई ट्रिक लगाऊंगा तो then only I can save the mouse. Otherwise mouse will not be any more. मैं कुछ ट्रिक लगाऊंगा तभी माउस बच पाएगा, अदरवाइज माउस बचेगा नहीं. देन व्हाट डिड फॉक्स डिड? फॉक्स विंक्ड. विंक्ड मतलब यू आर टॉकिंग टू समवन दैट अदर पर्सन शुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं पर जो आपके बाजू में है उसको उस बारे में पता ही नहीं चले तो धीमे से लाइक दिस ऐसे करते हैं ना. यू विंक्ड योर आईज. आईज को ऐसे फ्लिप करना, एक आंख बंद करा एंड ओपन लाइक दिस, क्लोज एंड ओपन. व्हाट डिड फॉक्स डिड? फॉक्स विंक्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द mouse. So first of all we'll write the spelling of winked. WINKED. Fox winked in front of the mouse. Fox ने क्या करा? माउस को धीरे से ऐसे विंक्ड करा एंड प्रिटेंड दैट कैट इज नॉट लुकिंग. ऐसे करा कि आपको ऐसे प्रिटेंड करना है दैट आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू यू. टू whom? Fox. फॉक्स विंक लाइक दिस कि उसको, माउस को ऐसे करा कि जिससे ऐसा लगे कि वो माउस के फेवर में नहीं है. Who was doing like that? Fox. Why was Fox doing this? To save the life of a tiny creature. Tiny मतलब very small. Mouse was very small. So what the fox want to do? Fox want to save the life of the mouse. As the fox winked slowly, then what he said? Fox said to the cat, I cannot believe this thing. जो ये माउस बोल रहा है, all these things are lies. I cannot believe. Believe मतलब विश्वास करना. Believe means to trust someone. BELIVE. What the fox said? I cannot believe this. This is not truth. Truth मतलब सच. TRUTH. What the fox said? I cannot believe this. I don't think these all things are truth. Whatever mouse is telling me, now the fox is talking to cat. Fox अब किससे बात कर रहा है? Cat से. And he said to cat, all these things is happening. I don't think so. Is it truth? ये सब सच है क्या? No. It is not truth. How come you can come inside the cage? आप कैसे केज में फंस सकती हो? And the small creature, एक इतना tiny सा creature आपको कैसे बचा लेगा? Why Fox was doing all these things? So that he can play some trick. वो ऐसा कुछ करे कि जिससे वो माउस को बचा ले. Then Fox said to cat, can you show this thing to me? कैसा था? आप मुझे जरा करके बताओ तो. Then the cat told him the whole story. Cat ने उसको सारी story बताई. The fox laughed and said, the very tiny, how could you open the cage? फिर जब cat ने सारी story माउस को सुनाई वापस, then Fox started laughing. Why? Same story. The mouse told the story, the same story cat also told. When Fox heard the same story from the cat, he started laughing. What he started? Laughing. 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 And how was the rat? Rat was a tiny creature. Rat was a tiny creature. What he said? He said, rat, mouse. Mouse is a very small creature. How come he can take you out? वो आपको कैसे अंदर से बाहर निकाल सकता है? No, no, no. It is not possible. Mouse could not take you out from the cage. I cannot believe this. मैं इस पे विश्वास नहीं कर सकता. Here the first session of our story gets over. Next session we'll continue in our next class. So what we are going to do? We are going to read all the hard words together for twice, and you have to read whole of the lesson from your Hello English book. So let's get started. We are going to read together. Hard words. Number one is caught. CAUGHT. Caught means पकड़ लेना. Who was caught? Cat was caught in the cage. Number two is CAGE. Cage. Number two is CAGE. Cage. Number three, CRIED. CRIED. That is cried. CRIED. Cried means रोना बहुत जोर जोर से. Number four is meow. It is a sound of cat that cat used to make. In the story, it was mewing. MEWING. These are the sound of cat. MEOW meow, ME meow, or MEWING. Mewing means again and again she was making the sound that someone come and help me and release me from here. कोई आओ मेरी help करो and take me out of this cage. Then number five is MOUSE. Mouse. Who helped the cat? The mouse was the creature that helped the cat. Mouse वो creature था जिसने किसका help करा? He helped the cat. Now the next one is promised. Promised means you commit something to someone that you are definitely going to do that. So you should never reflect your promise as you are not going to do that. हमें कभी भी अपना promise ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए जिसको हम complete ना कर सके. So the spelling of promised is PROMISED. 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 Then number 7 is the spelling of helpful. Helpful मतलब दूसरों का help करने वाले. HELPFUL. 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 Number 8 are the creatures. Creatures I told you, the animals used to live in the jungle. They are also known as the creatures. CREATURES. Animals जो जंगल में रहते हैं उनको creatures भी बोला जाता है. CREATURES. Creatures. Number 9, ungrateful. मतलब to do the wrong thing. आपके लिए किसी ने good करा है, but in return you are not going to do the right thing for that person. That is known as the ungrateful. Who was ungrateful? The cat was ungrateful in our story. UNGRATE. Ungrateful. Full. UNGRATEFUL. Ungrateful. Then number 10 is pause. Pause, I told you, cat is having his 2 hands over here and 2 on the back side. Then this portion of a cat is known as its paws. That is known as its paws. It is soft padded. बहुत soft portion होता है of the cat. PAWS. 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 Next one is begged. 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 Beg मतलब भीख मांगना. Who was begging? This was the time of mouse to beg. Mouse was begging to cat that please leave me. You have promised me that you are not going to eat me. Still you are eating me. So kindly leave me. Next one is refused. Refused to say no to someone. refused, refused, refused. Who refused? The cat refused to leave the mouse. cat ने refuse कर दिया था कि मैं आपको छोड़ूंगी नहीं. Foolish, foolish means बेवकूफ, stupid. FOOLISH. Who was foolish? Cat told to mouse that you are foolish that you help me. You should not trust me. आपको मुझ पे ट्रस्ट करना नहीं चाहिए था. FOOLISH. FOOLISH. Now, number 14th is the spelling of clever. Clever means होशियार. You all are clever. आप सब clever ही हैं. Spelling of who was clever over here? The fox came in the story, and the fox was very clever. 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 Spelling of clever. 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 Then number 15 is understood. Understood मतलब समझ में आ जाना. As I am teaching to you, so you are understanding. आपको समझ में आ रहा है. Like that. UNDER. STOOD. Stood. Understood. Who was understanding over here? Who was understanding? The fox understood that what is the matter going on. ये सब क्या हो रहा है. Then winged. Winged, as I say, to do like this. एक आंख को ऐसे close and open करने का, to play some trick. WINKED. चालाकी करना जिसको बोलते हैं ना, अचानक से कुछ चालाकी करने के लिए, like this. हमने अपना एक आंख बंद करा और उसको ओपन करा. Who winked? The fox winked in front of the mouse. किसने विंक करा था? फॉक्स ने विंक करा था. किसके सामने? माउस के सामने. Number 17 is believe. Believe means विश्वास करना. To trust someone is not easy. What happened? That mouse trusted on cat and finally his life was in danger. माउस ने ट्रस्ट करा, अब उसकी लाइफ क्या थी? खतरे में आ गई थी. BELIVE. Again we are going to read BELIVE. Believe. Number 18 is truth. Truth means such. What fox said? Fox said to cat that whatever mouse is saying, I cannot believe it. It is not truth. Such नहीं है वो. TRUTH. 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 Then number 19 is laughing. Laughing means हंसना जोर जोर से. LAUGHING. LAUGHING. Who was laughing? The fox started laughing while listening the story from cat. Fox ने हंसना शुरू कर दिया when he heard whole of the story from cat. Next is the spelling of tiny. Who was tiny? The small mouse was very tiny. बहुत छोटा creature था. That's why he got scared that if you are going to eat me. उसने क्या बोला cat से? That if you are going to kill me and eat me, then you are following your promise. आपका जो promise है, you are following it. आप अपने promise को तोड़ रहे हो. Why you are doing so? आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो? You should not do like this. If you have committed someone, अगर आपने किसी को commit करा है that you are going to do the right thing, then you should do that. आपको वो फिर करना चाहिए. You should not do this thing to me. आपको मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. Here, the first session of our story gets over. Let's recall the story once a while. एक बार पूरा beginning से story recall कर लेते हैं. So this is the story about a cat, rat, and a fox. Cat is there, mouse is there, and a fox is there. Once a cat was caught in the forest in the cage. एक दिन एक cage के अंदर cat फंस गई थी. Then what happened? She cried loudly again and again. वो जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगी. But no one was listening. But after some time, थोड़े टाइम के बाद किसने सुना? Mouse heard the voice of the cat. He immediately ran there to help the cat. वो तुरंत वहां पर गया किसकी हेल्प करने? कैट की हेल्प करने. But what cat said? Cat said that kindly open me. Then what mouse said? No, I am not going to open you up, but because if you are going to come out from the cage, you will definitely going to eat me. अगर आप बाहर निकली तो आप मुझे खा जाएंगी. Then what mouse said? No, no. If you are helping me, how come I am going to eat you? आप तो मेरी help कर रहे हो. मैं क्यों आपको eat करूंगी? I am not going to eat you. Because of the promise of the cat, the mouse opened the door of the cage. Mouse की बात को सुन के, cat की बात को mouse ने क्या करा? He opened the gate. But what happened? As the cat came out, she holded the mouse in his house. जैसी कैट निकली उसने क्या कर दिया था, रैट को अपने पाउस में माउस को पकड़ लिया था. माउस ने बेग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, काइंडली लीव मी. बट वॉज द कैट लीविंग हिम? नो. Then immediately who came? A fox came over there and he asked them that what is the matter. Then mouse told everything. Mouse ने सारा story बता दिया उसको. Then again he started laughing. Mouse ने हंसना शुरू कर दिया कि no no it is not possible. Then cat also told him the same thing. Then he again started laughing. अरे ये तो possible नहीं है. How come a small mouse can help you? कैसे एक छोटा सा mouse आपकी help कर सकता है? No, it is not possible. How it can happen? It cannot be happen. ये होना possible नहीं है. Then what happened? He said कि why you are doing all these things? You should not do all these things. This is not right. So all in all, here our first session gets over. What we have to do? We have to go through the story and read the story from your textbooks of English. And thank you.